I waited in suspense, holding my breath for the miracle of life, for your very first step. Tiny little hearts in a fragile new world, so helpless and sweet as your feathers unfurled.
But the joy turned to fear in the blink of an eye. When your tiny legs slipped, we started to cry. The verdict was heavy, breaking two hearts in two, but we promised right then we won't give up on you.
We took it all into our own hands. With trembling fingers we made our stand.
Today you fly like the wind,
yellow and blue sparks, spreading your wings, leaving beautiful marks.
the
Plastic correctors and the cries in the night turned into your freedom, bathing in the light.
We would give up our sleep for you all over
again, 'cause you are our family until the very end.
The sleepless long nights and every little squeak woke us up in the dark every day of the week. Placing those bands on your tiny little feet, praying to a fate that your healing is sweet.
And today you are flying all over the place, our greatest treasure, bringing smiles to our face. The colors you wear and your will to survive tied us together, keeping our love alive.
Today you fly like the wind,
Yellow and blue sparks, spreading your wings, leaving beautiful marks. The plastic correctors and the cries in the night turned into your freedom, bathing in the light.
we would give up our sleep for you all over again,
'Cause you are our family
until the very end. We thought we were saving your beautiful world,
but you told